Hello folks, welcome to the channel. If you encountered application was unable to start correctly 0xc000007b, then watch this video for the solution. Now, the first thing we need to do is look for security, Windows security, and open it. Now go to app and browser control and then go to exploit protection settings. Now go to program settings here and click add program to customize. Now the program we will add here is the program or the app that was not opening, and while opening it we are getting this error message. So we can add the program by name if you know the name and add a .exe extension to it. If not, you can choose the exact file path. That is what we're going to do. Now go to C drive. I'll go to program files where most of my programs are kept or installed in, and I will go to this program Vice 365. Now, for example, I was opening Vice 365 and I got this error message. So I will click on it and click on open. And now you see it is showing me some settings that I can either close or not. So I need to check for force randomization for images. So I need to click on override set system settings. So please remember this folks, the first setting that I need to change is force randomization for images, mandatory ASLR. Click on override system settings and then just keep this in the off position. And then I also need to click on override system settings and I need to keep this in the off position. And once I've done with those, that's about it. Click on apply, yes, and then you can, I am removing this folks, but you don't do this. I just showed you as an example, but this will definitely work for you. You just need to click on the start button, click on the power button, restart the computer, and when you open the app again, it should no longer show you this error. If this video helped you, then kindly subscribe to the channel. Enjoy your day.